What's up everybody, Simon here with another tech visibility review. Today we're going to go ahead and go over the TOZO NC2s. These were actually requested to be reviewed on our comments in the YouTube because we've reviewed multiple TOZO products, including the T6, the T10, the NC9s, and these are the TOZO NC2s. I'm going to go ahead and do an unboxing, let you know what it comes with, and a full review, let you know if these are better than the NC9s or how they compare to some of the other products or earbuds out on the market. Now, before I do this review and unboxing, I always remind you guys that the biggest favor you could do for our channel is to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and also check out techvisibility.com for the latest product news and reviews. So let's get into this unboxing with the TOZO NC2s. Let's go. Okay, so the TOZO NC2 box is pretty similar to a lot of TOZO products. In fact, hold on one second while I grab more product. If you look here, these are all of our TOZOs that we just ordered for review. We got the G1, the NC7, the NC2. The NC7 and NC2 have very similar size box, while these are much smaller. Again, all of these products I personally purchased. TOZO and I are not affiliated, or TOZO and Tech Visibility are not affiliated. So these are our honest reviews. If we ever do a review on the channel where someone sends us a product for sponsorship, we will let you know in the video, and we'll still do an honest review. All right, so let's get back to the NC2s here, guys. On the box here, we have ANC mode. It's a dual mic, dual microphone. That's great. Touch controls, they're lightweight. One-step pairing. There are different colors as seen on many TOZO products. They're made in Shenzhen, which is a province that I've personally been to in China. Nothing on this side, nothing on this side. Pretty similar box packaging. Let's get this opened up. Now, this is one of my favorite parts, unwrapping or unpackaging these products. I got my sharp razor blade here, and I am gonna go ahead, put that away before someone gets hurt, and remove the shrink wrap. Removing the shrink wrap is the most fun part of any unboxing video, no matter the product. Okay, so here it is. The packaging slides out from the bottom. A very Apple-esque design with some simple instructions, no stickers, very TOZO-like packaging with the ear tips, and they give you a lot of different ear tips. Some people, I guess, have some really big ear tip requirements. The manual for pairing, it's pretty simple. Touch and play, we'll go over that quickly here. So you got one tap, obviously pause, play. On the right ear, it's the next song. On the left ear, it's the previous song. Hang up, you press it once or tap it once, and a long press for 2 seconds, you reject the call. Voice assistant, when using Siri, you triple tap the left or right button, and that's gonna do a Siri assistant. So you can't say, hey Siri, you would have to, I guess, triple tap it, and that would beep. So that's pretty interesting. You could also reset them. There's a low battery alert, and there's a battery indicator on this display. Here's kind of some indications. That's the ANC radio hole, the touch area, and then the earbuds, and that is a vent on the side. That's pretty neat. All right, let's look at the more fun stuff. Another manual that comes with it. We need to check out how to put them in, which ear tip, and also some simple instructions. So I guess this is the long version of the instructions, and then this is the simple ones, and they are the same. Left earbud goes left, or previous song, and the right earbud goes to the next song. And then adjusting the volume, you press and hold the left earbud for less volume, right earbud for more volume. All right, pretty cool. So let's look at the packaging and what comes with it as far as the ear tips. I'm not gonna take these out because I generally use the standard ear tip, but there are some different sizes, which is really neat. First impressions of the case. Very small case, okay? I am liking the case from the first impression. The earbuds themselves come in a separate part or sleeve. We're gonna leave those right here. Really remind me of the original AirPods or the AirPods 2. And then inside, we're gonna take out the USB charging cable, and that's all it is. And this is a USB to a USB-C. which is pretty standard and convenient. So we'll put that to the side as well. And that's all that comes in the packaging. Nothing else is in there, guys. So for comparison, because you guys are looking at it, you know, you can see it in my palm. It's not too thick. It's a USB-C charging, but for comparison, I just pulled in the Apple AirPods 2nd generation case, and you could see that they are slightly bigger, even fatter. I would say length is almost the same, slightly bigger in length, but the case for the size and the price is pretty good. Another comparison comes into picture, and that's the Beats Fit Pros, which are currently my favorite earbuds out there. Lots of bass, clarity, they sound great. So right here, you got a comparison of the Beats Fit Pro with the TOZO NC9s. All right, the case snap, love it. Really good case snap. In fact, I would say it's better than the Beats Fit Pro. So let's put those away. And of course, Apple is my favorite with the AirPods snap case. Has a TOZO logo on the top, battery indicator. It shows you that the case has full charge. The earbuds pop in like so with the indicators. And now they're charging. Really good quality, guys. I am very impressed with the quality. Okay, so here is the first part. We're gonna remove this little sticker on left earbud, and then we're gonna go ahead and do the same thing on the right earbud. It says TOZO on these right here, on each of these. And I wanted to compare the size of the earbuds themselves to the AirPods 2nd generation. So you could see for yourself that these are very similar to the AirPod Pros in my opinion. They should have a big driver and they should give you a good amount of bass. So I'm gonna go ahead and get these paired, and then we're gonna go ahead and let you know how well they sound on both phone calls as well as music. So they're in pairing mode. You can see it's indicating here by the little light that's flashing, and I need to open up my phone and get them paired up. Should be fairly easy. You go into Bluetooth on the iPhone or the Android, and because they're already in pairing mode, there they are, they popped up, and I got the TOZO NC2s connected. I'm not gonna waste any more time. I'm gonna go ahead and pop these in to see how they feel. First impression is it feels like I have the AirPod Pros in terms of sound. I am playing a song right now, and I am gonna see how the quality is. Wow, the bass is good, guys. The bass is really good. They sound clear. In fact, I'm hearing more highs from these than I'm hearing from the Beats Fit Pros. I would say these are really good earbuds, guys. They are blowing me away. The quality of them is incredible for the price. If you are looking for more of a budget earbud, the NC2s, I would say, are probably just as good, if not better, than the NC9s, and a slightly less better than, say, the AirPod Pros. But for the price, I would go with these. Simple. The case size is slim enough to fit. The song sounds great. I'm getting that noise canceling around from the ear tips themselves, but not anything, you know, spatial or no active noise canceling, nothing like that. Now, there's no transparency mode. What I do like about these is once I pop them out, they stop playing. So once I pop them in, they'll play. So I took them out, they paused. So it has that Apple pause and play feature. That's great about these NC2s. So once you remove them, they will stop playing. Once you pop them back in, they will play again, and they look great. I like the black look. So let's look at some of the highlights on these NC2s, because the sound quality is really good. You're not going to be disappointed, I promise you. So if you checked out my review on the TOZO NC9s, you could tell I was pleased with the quality of the bass and the sound. They're currently going for about $59.99. You could check out that review on my channel. The NC2s on Amazon are currently going for $49.99. So they are more affordable. The NC2s have Bluetooth 5.2, and they both feature IPX6 waterproof resistance, which is a higher grade than even the Beats Fit Pro and a lot of the other earbuds in the market today. Now, they both feature active noise canceling. They're advertised. I didn't get that much noise canceling out of it, to be honest with you, in comparison to, say, the Bose or even the Beats Fit Pro. I did get the deep bass that they're advertising, and the noise canceling I felt like was more of the rubber tip versus an active noise canceling. And I'm popping them back in just to confirm one more time. I mean, they're good, but again, I think the Beats Fit Pro or maybe the Bose earbuds, the Quiet Comforts, are much better. However, these are good for the price. I mean, $49 versus a $200 item. there's a no-brainer that these are quality. So with the active noise canceling that these earbuds do have, they actually have an outward facing microphone that detects noise and will cancel out that noise by increasing the bass. They reduce the environment's noise up to 35 decibel levels, which is incredible. They call it hybrid 3-level noise canceling with the NC2s, and I do feel that they're doing a great job noise canceling out anything around me while I am listening to them. And then there's an inward facing microphone that listens to the internal noise on the ear itself and gives you an adjustment to the music or the sound to prevent even further noise canceling. Of course, the ear cups prevent about 90% of noise, and that's why you got to get the proper fit, and that's why they include so many different ear cups with your purchase for the price. Typically, I see about 2 to 3 included. They have about 6, which is incredible. They also have transparency mode, which actually also has option to hear everything going around you so that you could walk and talk and use these for a great phone call. In fact, let's test the phone call using transparency mode with the NC2s. Now that I got transparency mode active, I'm going to go ahead and place a phone call. So let me do that right now. What's up, Yuri? I'm testing the NC2s. So far, I like the case and I like the earbuds themselves. The quality is really good. How do I sound?
You sound very clear.
Good. I sound great. You sound great too. I could hear around me. I don't sound as muffled, which is the beauty about transparency mode. And this product so far has impressed me, especially with the bass. And glad that I sound clear.
Yeah.
Thanks for taking a call. And I appreciate it. We'll get back to the review.
Okay, thanks. Have a good day. Bye-bye.
Okay, so transparency mode worked really good. The cups on the ear are great. Bass is great. The active noise canceling has been great with these NC2s. I honestly, for the $10 difference, would go with the NC2s over the NC9s. I personally like that it has Bluetooth 5.2. They're pretty similar. I think the case on the NC2s is a bit smaller, which is a positive for me as well. Here is the big kicker on the NC2s as well. They can play up to 8 hours of playtime and a total of 32 hours with this charging case. That is incredible. It is overperforming a lot of earbuds out in the market, especially for the price point of near $50. I like that option, and one thing you could do to prolong it or double it for an audiobook is use one at a time to get a total of 16 hours of playtime on an audiobook or a phone call. Totally worth the price for $50. These NC2s actually really surprised me with the quality on both music and calls, and I highly recommend them, and I probably would get them over the NC9s without a doubt. So if you enjoyed this review and unboxing of the TOZO NC2s, please do us the biggest favor and hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. It helps the YouTube algorithm. It helps get this video out as it's an honest review, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Check back here for more reviews. As you guys know, maybe I'll do the G1s or the A1s or the NC7s next and give you my opinion on some of the other TOZO products. But so far, the NC2s with this build, quality, price, noise canceling, transparency mode, the extra ear tips, and most importantly, the size of this slim case has won me over, and they are 1/4 of the price of the Beats Fit Pro. Great quality. I highly recommend it, and I'll catch you guys here in the next video. Thank you.